Define data frame in Pandas. A data frame is a two-dimensional label data structure in Pandas that is designed to handle tabular data such as spreadsheets or a SQL table. It contains of rows and columns where each column can have different data types such as numerical, categorical, or textual. In a Pandas data frame, the rows and columns are labeled with indices and column names, respectively, which allows for efficient indexing and selection of data. The data frame can be thought of as a dictionary of series object, where each series represent a column of data with a unique label. Data frame offers a wide range of functionality for data manipulation, such as filtering, sorting, merging, grouping, and aggregation. Panda also provide various methods for reading and writing data from and to different file formats, such as CSV, Excel, SQL, and more, making it powerful tool for data analysis and manipulation.